Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
Well, surprise! We are here at Cabana Bay over at Universal, and this is our room review.
You see the slide?
We were out of breath because we had to like walk 14 miles to get over here. How do you feel?
I'm exhausted, I'm tired, but I'm happy to be here. I just want to go to HHN.
Yeah, so we actually are going to be really quick because we got to go. And you can see Volcano Bay.
Oh, this closes.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so real quick, here are your beds. There's Amber. Oh, you have like a nice little walk-in closet-ish. So, just so you have reference, my back is to the wall, and you have it right there. So, I don't know how good the sound is because we just got here and we haven't been able to unpack, and we have a new camera, so bear with us here. You get your own private pooper. This is a family interior room. Hi, everybody. I do like the retro look.
I do too. This is so cool.
Shower.
I really like it.
Amber's been begging me,
For years.
to take her here, and she's finally here. She actually didn't know I booked it until like a month ago, and then she's like, "Are we staying at the Cabana Bay?"
I saw an email, and then I totally forgot, and I was like, then we're pulling into it. I was like, oh yeah, we're staying at Cabana Bay.
Yeah. So you have a nice little living room with a pull-out sofa.
Yeah.
A TV.
Look at the drawers.
The drawers.
They're really good size.
I know. So like I said, this is the family room.
Excuse the mess.
Yeah, we just got here. Literally just got here. We got to dump and run.
Oh, you have to check this out.
And then moving around.
Look at it.
Oh, it's almost a retro microwave, but this
Look at it. It's a good size.
interior's not, but look at the outside. It looks like it's like a 1950s.
Oh, big trash can. So it's not, there's a little bit of storage.
Yeah.
I mean, are you really going to be here a lot? Like, if you have a family, then yeah.
We have family?
If you have like a family of like 3 or 4.
Okay, so we're going to show you more around, but we got to go, guys. Sorry, it's going to be a little rushed. But
We'll come back to it.
if you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. We're Echo Travel Adventures, and we are a travel channel here in Florida right now, but we are currently living in Nebraska. I did show the view. So if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and don't forget to like and comment because we are super excited and we got to go to HHN. So
Let's go!
time is over.
Literally, it's almost 11 o'clock for checkout.
Yeah. So this is the completion of our hotel review. The amenities at this hotel is really nice. You got a bowling alley, you got a lazy river.
We didn't get to do any of it because it was raining and lightning, fortunately.
Every time we planned to go down the lazy river and stuff,
Yeah.
it was lightning. They have like 2 pools that we can see.
Fire pit.
Yeah.
The shop where you can get food all the time. It's a little expensive, but you know, it's convenience, right?
Right. We did go down there and got pizza. We didn't show you, but
It was late at night.
it wasn't a bad pizza.
Mm-mm.
I mean, it's a hotel
It's
resort
like
pizza
at Louis.
Yeah.
At UO at Universal Orlando.
Yeah. So, the room wasn't horrible.
It's pretty comfy considering.
Yeah. We had drain issues with our sinks. The kitchen and the main bath.
Yeah, the bathroom one.
So it kind of slow drained a little bit, but that's whatever. We're on the 6th floor. It's going to happen.
Yeah.
I does sound negative. The only thing is like when the house service comes in and starts doing like their job, they don't keep the door open. They let the door slam.
Yeah, they let the door slam on like the metal thing or something. So maybe they can get like a stopper because if people were at HHN and they get to about till 3, 4 in the morning, they could still be asleep or they might have like a lazy day and all I hear is bang, bang, bang. So that was not fun at all.
No. So it goes back to our military folks who might be a little more sensitive to sound. Just know that can be very triggering.
Yeah.
It was
Parking is freaking confusing.
Yeah. So the first night we parked in the Americana.
So we had to walk all the way over.
Yeah.
And our room is like one of the last rooms, which usually happens. I mean, it is what it is. There's only 2 of us anyways.
Right. But we had to read the signs because it was like 1 o'clock in the morning. We were too tired to even look at signs.
I know.
So,
we kind of messed up too on that part.
Yeah.
But maybe research it a little bit before you come here.
Look at the map.
Or because when they give you the map when you check in, that's like you go here and you go right here and you're here and you're here and you're like, what?
And you're so excited. Like for us, we were in a rush because we had to get to the hotel, into the room, get kind of settled-ish.
Go to bed right away.
Well, no, then we went to HHN, like right away. So
oh, yeah.
we didn't have time to really do any kind of walking around, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So, but would I stay here again compared to Endless Summer?
I probably would say Endless Summer. I mean, I love the retro feeling and vibe that's here, but I just wish that the rooms would reflect it a little bit more instead of just like the orange and the blues. I think it was more of a retro kind of feeling. Right. I would love it, and I like the hotel. I do.
Yeah, and this is a 6-year-old hotel, so whereas like in the summer, it's newer.
Brand new, yeah.
Yeah, so that's not a negative on this hotel. It's just we, in our experience, staying at 2 resorts here, I think in the summer would be.
I do like this family room though too.
I do too.
Like there's the closure there where we showed you guys. It's pretty fun.
So the
doesn't
remote
block out any sound.
No.
Yeah.
So there's a chair off to my right. Every time I hit the TV channel to turn on, it turns on that one.
The bedroom one. So like if I'm watching something, it'll turn off. Or like change channel, like what the heck?
So I went in here and I turned off the TV.
And then that one, then the one in the living room turns on.
Because you're watching that Michael Jackson documentary.
I was watching that and I was getting into it. And I was like, whoa. And it turns off. And I was like,
that TV was on and it was like, because I'm sitting here, she can't hear it, but I'm sitting here and I can hear both. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to go in there and turn this off. And I turned it off and then turned this TV off.
I think they're switched. But then we switched them again, and it's like still is not connecting.
They just talk to each other.
Yeah, you can hear a lot of stuff in the hallways.
Yeah. So, it's a vacation resort, so you know people are gonna be excited going to the room and stuff. I just wish that it was more insulated. over there, so we wouldn't have to hear everything. The doors, it's a hotel. The doors are going to shut heavy.
Yeah, of course. Like, you could always put, like, a towel underneath or something. Or if you close that little departure area. Mm-hmm. I don't even know if that's the right word or not.
No,
that area. Door, yeah, the sliding door. It doesn't block any sound either.
Mm-mm. But it's been a journey.
I like the 6th floor.
Yeah.
Considering it's pretty quiet, like you don't really hear people too much in the other rooms. Having this big family room, I don't know how it's like just having like a regular room. We probably need to try that. I
kind of expected a kitchen-ish.
No, you get a small sink,
and a
microwave,
decent-sized fridge.
But they do have plastic bowls and plates here too.
I brought the pizza back. Did you bring plates? I'm like, yeah, they're right there.
You didn't know that.
No, I didn't. But our journey here in Orlando, Florida, for now, has come to an end. This hotel.
Boo! No more HHN for now.
But guys, thank you so much for making it this far. Hopefully, this kind of opened your eyes to what you can experience here at.
Yeah, I know we did a really fast room review, or a room tour actually. There really isn't much to show. No. But all in all, good vacation. Good hotel. Maybe try another hotel because we never stayed here. No. We only stayed at Endless Summer. Yeah, that was one night compared to 6 nights here. The next one would be Hard Rock. Yeah, that'd be good. Oh, and then you get like Express if you stay at like those really good. That's right, we didn't get it here. No, you don't. But this concludes our Cabana Bay. Subscribe. Yes, hit the bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll definitely see you guys next time.